Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am here to tell you about the NOUN Study Centers. Yes, we have been discussing about different issues. I think yesterday we spoke about the programs. So today I want us to talk about study centers. Why it is important for us to talk about it is this. Many of us tend to get carried away and then we'll be wondering about where do we go, what do I come to the headquarters? You don't have to. You don't have to. So just understand that you don't have to. What you need to do is to find out. And I always ask them, where's your location? So when you tell me your location, then I'll now tell you, okay, go to the study center in that location. Now the good thing about it is that every state in Nigeria has a study center in the state capital. Every single state in Nigeria. And God has helped us. We are even gone beyond that now. We now have study centers in many local government headquarters. Many communities now have the study center. I mean, a place like Shakoko has study center. Many little communities in Kano, they have a study center. In Lagos, yes, due to some accommodation issues, I think most of our study centers are actually now located in VI. But we have started the one in Korodu and we have started the one in Badagry. So people that would have complained about distance, now the study center has come close to them. So the good thing is that you need to know that every state in Nigeria has a study center. Two, many local government headquarters, many communities, we call them the community study center. They have. I know in Edo State, we have one, we have the capital, in the state capital, Benin. The Benin Study Center is there. I was the director there. Then we have one in Urumi, which is the Central Senatorial District. And we have another one in the Edo North. So you I don't know why it's keeping my head now, but we have three study centers in Edo State alone. And so this is what you need to know and you need to understand. So it is important that you do not forget that in your state, wherever your location is, there's one study center that is close to you. So if you understand that, then it makes every other thing easier. So let's go to the next point. Now, locating your nearest study center. Now, like I was saying, you need to know that, okay, this is your state. Then check on our website which study center, and the good thing that these study centers are actually grouped according to the geopolitical zone. So, first of all, click on the geopolitical zone that you are residing in. Then from there, you click on your state. All the states are listed there. Then from there, you now click you will find the study center at the contact details, the email address of study center, possibly the email address or phone number. If the study center has, because I had one official phone number for the study center when I was there. I don't know whether that is still working, but if it is not, the probability is very high that the study center director's phone number will be on the website. So you can contact them. I know many of you will just go to the faculty and start calling. It's okay. These are programs and we'll be glad to attend to you. But then if you also call us at study center, if you call us at study center, I'm sure somebody will be there to answer you. Because the good thing now, we even have platform where you can actually, we are setting up system now. I think I tried to do that when I was in Benin, and now it has actually been adopted by the whole university, so that you can go around. You can call. There's somebody that is at the front desk to answer you and respond to your inquiries. Of course, we also have that in the faculty. So if you call, my number is there. I'm still hoping I can still get an official number for the faculty, so that even when I stop being there, so whoever has that number can see access whoever is the dean. Then instead of wanting to start looking for, but no matter what, at any point in that, there's always be a contact of somebody you can reach. And also, we also have what we call the VICC, according to the university. But we're talking about the study centers now. So it is very important that you locate your nearest study center, and I'm going to tell you why. The reason is that at times people get cornered and distracted and misled. So it's better that you go to the study center if you have questions. You have people there that will attend to you. I'm going to mention the two of them now. Now, go talk to the counselor. The training, the duty, the responsibility of the counselor in the study center is to advise and guide students or prospective students. So you can actually ask for the counselor that, okay, this is the course I am thinking, because we are shared already yesterday about the programs you can do. So when you now look at it, okay, let me see. Of course, like I said, the details is there. If I still have time, maybe I'll go back to that. The details of the requirements is there if you click, because that's why I took you through all the programs. When you click on the programs, you will find the details of what you need to be. I gave you an example of English. Without literature, you cannot do English, and possibly also mass communication. So you just have to know that. And I think law to you, without literature, you cannot do it. Then there are some science courses that will say, okay, this particular thing. I know in tourism, because like I said, I managed it for a while. You need geography. You must have geography for you to be able to do tourism. So these are the things, these are the fine details you need to know. Otherwise, basically, what is required is that you have your school stats, English, and mathematics. When you have those ones, you are good to go for most subjects. But there are some subjects that will be specific. Like you want to study biology now, I'm sure it will be required that you have biology as a requirement. But the good thing is that, like, if you want to do Christian religious or Christian theology in our own in my faculty, you do not need to, or just have your maths and English, and then you are good to go. So there's a lot of, but some study center, I mean, some programs require this. So this is why you need to talk to a counselor. Don't go and be meeting people that will mislead you. And those people are right at the gate of the university. I can assure you of that. I've been a study center director and I know what I'm talking about. I tried to work with them, and I think I was able to succeed in working with some of them, and they were seeing my reason, but there are still some that actually doing it wrong. The good thing, some of them are actually also done courses with us. So they may say they have an idea, but then some of these things change. And they will not know, because we will not send them any memo from the university. We will send to the study center. So it's the best people that can advise you, because that's what they are being paid for, are the counselors. So go talk to them. Then ask for your faculty desk officer. We have people we call desk officer. There are people that are in charge of different faculties. So they have the requirements for each program. They ask. So in case you cannot get to a counselor, you can, or probably after talking to the faculty desk officer, you're not satisfied. That's why you want to ask for a counselor. Ask for your faculty desk officer. They are the front line. They are right in direct contact with the faculties, and that's why they are called faculty desk officers, because they are to liaise with the faculties. If they even have questions, you ask them a question they cannot answer, they are supposed to call the HOD or the dean of the program and clarify. So ask for your faculty desk officer. Their duty is to guide and advise you. So please don't go, like I said, don't stop at the gate of the study center. Enter the study center. If you tell them you are come to do the inquiry, the security men will allow you in. And they will tell you, okay, which faculty, and they will be able to tell you, okay, this is the faculty desk officer, go to so office. And I'm sure they will attend to you. So please, you are to go to the faculty desk officer. Once you are located at the study center that is nearest to you, enter there and go and ask questions. In the community, I mean, in the cultural background I grew up in, he said that Abere Kishino, and what it means is that somebody that asks questions does not miss the road. You don't miss your way. That's just the long and short of what it means. So ask for your faculty desk officer, ask for your counselor, and they will guide you. The counselor may be very busy because there are many, but I can assure you that a faculty desk officer, they know what is required for you to be admitted into a program, because they are responsible for those programs for the programs of the faculty that they are managing. So I can assure they will give you proper guidance. And like I said before, if they are not sure, their duty is to call the head of department or to call the dean. But I think mostly the head of department that is in charge of program, in that program, they relate with the person, and then the person will be able to give them the answer that they need. It may not, at times, they should have familiarity with these people and be able to answer these questions. But And I said, just in case, they will be the one to ask. They are supposed to be familiar with this program, but just in case they are meeting with institution they are not sure of, their duty is to call and to clarify. So this is why you need to meet with your background desk officer. So important, never stop at the cyber cafe except for mere photocopying services. Many of you will get to cyber cafe, or maybe you after you have spoken to the faculty desk officer, then you now come back home and they tell you, okay, because you like I'm still going to talk about that, you have to do clearance with your credentials, even after you have uploaded them online. Now, some of you, when you now go to do photocopy, then they will now corner you and start telling you, or some will even tell you that okay, bring money, they can help you do everything. Please don't do that. I'm going to say one thing, and I've done a video about this. If you are coming to the university, everything you need to do, apart from coming to clarify or coming to ask for counsel, you can do if you have a smartphone. You can do if you have access to internet and the computer. Or even if you must go to cyber cafe, tell them to give you to pay. You want to pay for the service of the time you want to use on with their internet, and face the computer and do everything you want to do. Now I have done that video about to take you step by step on how you can actually process, fill your form and get your admission. I have done that, and you will see the link to the video. So this is very, very important. And now I'm going to put the whole playlist even in all of these videos. So it's very, very important that you make sure that you do not stop at the cyber cafe, except if you need to make photocopies or you need to bind book or whatever else that you need to do. But if you are just coming, I know at that stage, all you need probably are to do photocopies or to buy files. If you even have those requirements, you can go buy them in a bookshop on your own. So please don't let them become counselors. They are not counselors. The university employ counselors that are to counsel you. The university appointed people as faculty desk officer to liaise with the faculty, to attend to your questions, to give responses to your inquisitions, to your inquiries. So please do not stop at cyber cafes to be asking for counsel. Yes, if the person has done your course before, you may be able to tell you, okay, maybe you pay for your course, but I tell you everything do you need to know. The university has put the study center near you so that you can get answers to your questions. Don't let yourself be misled and be misguided. I am appealing to you. This is very, very important. As center director, I know I had that challenge and I had to tackle it head on. Of course, I used my own tactic of trying to turn them to partners, and it's paid off for me. I didn't turn them to enemies because I know they are making money from all these things. You know why I'm telling you that is very important is I know a student that stayed away, and then because he has already gotten the faculty that a cyber cafe that he's working with and he pays, and then he sent them money to do registration for him and all of that. And I'm telling you, some of these people are also people that were defrauding university and they put the students in the lodge. And students had to come back and pay because the system threw them out. When they thought they had paid, these people are eating their money. The system threw them out eventually, and they had to cough out that money if they will get their degree. Now, this young man, the courses he had registered for in first semester, this guy went back to re-register him for those things. It was the day of exam he came to do exams, and that was why he just found that the courses he thought he was reading up for were not the courses available. And I felt so angry about his stupidity that I mean, if not because I could not flog him, I was going to flog him. I would have flogged him, but I just walked away because if not, probably I would have been physical with him. I could not just imagine his stupidity. So I just told myself, anyway, he has paid enough by paying money for courses he didn't need to register. There are courses that he had done already. So don't join that stupidity. I am appealing to you. So this is very important. So thank you very much. This is all for today. I don't know. You need to go. I have done enough about the website for you to be able to do that. And that what the website again, it is www.nou.edu.ng. Go there and go and check the study center that is nearest to you. I'm telling you, just type in, even if you type into Google and say National Open University of Nigeria Study Centers, I'm sure it will bring them up to, it will take you to that page. So I can assure you of that. So we are very, very much highly present on the internet. So thank you for listening. So remember once again to comment, to like this video, to share it to others, and to subscribe to this channel. We are doing as many contents as possible and to help you to have a very comfortable start in your journey now. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.